Hey, what's going on, fellas? Alright, today's agenda is to replace a branch tube because it had a crank no start. So I'm using the old method of compressing the springs. Let's see, compressing the spring and taking off the rockers. That's why you don't see the plastic things. Like I had to take off number 6 and 8. See, the retainers are missing. You can see it right here, the black retainers. Get a good fucking, there it is, black right here. This one doesn't have it because I had to take it off, break them off and pull it out, and I gotta take out the injector. So here's the tool for it. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed, so hopefully this works out. Let's see it. Get this out of the way. Alright. So it's compressed right now, 13 millimeter bolt, and everything seems to be lined up correctly, so it should fall right into place. Alright, a little ratchet. Alright, slowly coming up. You see the speed. Alright, so the rocker is on the bridge and the push rod. So that's good. Take this out. Sometimes these could be a bitch to get off. Let's see if I can find something to take this off. Come on. Let's see. There you go. Play with it a little bit. There. I polished this piece right here. Here's the tool number. I polished it right here because this is the only part that gets stuck underneath the bridge and the rocker. And put the 13 back on here. Let's see. I'm trying to do this one-handed, guys. Bear with me. Alright. Oops. Alright. Take out this. There. Let's see if we get some light. Alright, so that's the tool. Real simple. All it does is press down the spring, and there's a little notch to use the injector hold down tool. So to take out the branch tube, sorry guys, let's see. You have to go down to the feed tube right in there, in here, and then there's a Torx 27. You have to fight it to get it out. I mean, loosen it, and then you take it out with the branch tube. I already did number 7. So it's 7, it's 6, 8, and then 7 we gotta take out. Because that's the only way you can get to those Torx. As you can see, these are off, retainers are off, so you don't have to take out the head bolts. If you take out the head bolts, then you're gonna have problems, head gasket problems. There you go. So that'll be the lazy man way, taking out the head bolts. Just take out the rockers, but you gotta make sure the piston's all the way down. You don't want it up all the way, because if you compress the springs, you'll bend the valves. So bottom dead center, intake and exhaust should be closed, and just compress it down and you're good to go. So this is the reason why I did this today. Came in with a crank no start. We put a motor in it about a year ago. And here's the branch tube. And as you can see, excuse me, broke off. It didn't break off until I took it apart. It was a big crack. It was cracked like that. And then once I got it out, it came apart. You do got to remove the transmission and the rear cover to get to the stem pipe. Excuse me, the branch tube. So I did that earlier. I was trying to make a video earlier, but I thought this would be a little bit easier for me. It's very hard to do that. So yeah, branch tube, steel. I think because the leg is longer, and I found out the Torx, 27 Torx was loose. That probably contribute to the leak or it cracking. So yeah, so nice day today. I got like 85, maybe 90. Let's see what time is it. Come on, 5:45 on the 6th. I'm using my new Note 7, Samsung Note 7. Should be able to upload this unless this thing catches on fire. They give me a text and an email about a recall on these phones. But this is probably the best phone they ever made, so might as well use it. Should have some in a few weeks. Just gonna keep an eye on this thing because I need my phone and go from there. Also, I got some new sockets, some mid impacts. I forgot what I did. I bought something and got them cheap. Hold on a second. There you go. Got them cheap, and I finally got these too as well. So these are lifesavers too, man. I just need 11 and an 8. That'll definitely complete the set. Trying to get in the swing of things and see what's going on with this industry, and hopefully by next month I should be able to get my senior masters, or in the next couple months. They're waiting on another trans class. So alright guys, it's just little stuff here and there, but I just also too, I think I got another minute because it only lets me record 10 minutes at a time on 60 frames per second. I got my owner's manual. I was just looking at this the other day. Oh, I must have closed it. And I was just looking through my paperwork, and I just found out this box is 13 years old. It's in pretty good condition. Thinking about getting a newer box, a triple bank. And I want the 5-inch on here with the long drawers all the way across. There's two styles that Snapple makes. There's the triple bank with the drawers all the way across, all 3 banks. I think I like that a little bit more. But I seen this Epic box, and really nice, and I don't know. I have to look up on something on the internet. But other than that, I think it's a pretty cool box. Another $15,000 to $20,000 for a box. That's crazy. Well, it's almost up, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Catch you guys next time.